Good morning, Sai, my people. Welcome to another Monday morning where we get to sell our market. On top, sell your market with St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy. And if you just join us, that's what we do every Monday morning from 11 a.m. go reach 12 noon. And we go begin sell market. Anything way they sell, whatever way you get to sell, you go come live, we go do waiting, we go sell them, or you go send them to me via any dispatch rider, and then I go showcase them. I go drop your WhatsApp number, I go drop everything where you need me to drop for people to do waiting, to take patronize it, because now so we know say we rise by do waiting, raising order. So now welcome to this beautiful morning. Who my line? What you they sell? Let me know. So we get even WhatsApp group. You understand? Where we say we they sell our market, you understand. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, you go let me know, so that we go drop the WhatsApp link, you understand. Make I quickly enter Instagram, make people with the Instagram notice say we don't abandon them, you know they good. You know they good like that. And so we did do about top sell your market with St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy, every Monday morning from 11 go reach go reach 12 noon. So make I quickly log on, make I know who they my Instagram, and then we go start off immediately. We not they waste time. We is not wasting any time at all. Who don't join us, make it introduce yourself, make we know who you be. You understand? Make we know how your day they go. Welcome to Sell Market with St. Envy Apostle Comedy every Monday morning. Oh, now so we did do. Now so we did do. So we did do. Yes. Who did there? Who in this face? So there go Leap. I'm in a live. What's up? DJ X Lim. Welcome to Sell Your Market with St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy. This now Instagram and Facebook Live. So what they do basically every Monday morning from 11 a.m. go reach 12 noon. Now to sell people market. What you they sell? What me the service where you they render. You understand me? You get opportunity to come live with me to tell us what you they sell. Ego Sabi, Abina Ego Sabi. Yes, so fine, thanks. Digo Leave, what's up? What are you selling? What services you they render? Let us know. Mook will not go help you. We go come up, you go come live. You guys come live, come talk about your service. You guys come live, come talk about your business. Now, what they do every Monday morning. Who ready to come live? Make it let me know, because as it be so, I still get some products where people, if you know say you not go feel come live, you know some people they camera shy. Like us, we not know what to be camera shy. We don't take camera since the day our mama take bonus. You understand? We not they do camera shy at all. We na camera. So I know some people not to know me, they're gonna ask, I will be this guy like this, we just fine like this, we just fine Scara. My name is St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy. I'm a comedian, I be digital marketer, and I also be Papa. Yes, I don't marry, I get 2 boys. I am married to one of the most beautiful women on earth, you understand? Only one wife I get. And then the actual reason why we do this thing is to help small scale and medium businesses. People will be saying, like when I started this particular stuff, people they Izu Bismarck, what's up, bro? Yes, so welcome live. This now Sell Your Market with St. Envy. Anything where you they sell, any product where you they sell, any business where you they do, whether you they single, whether you they writer, whether you be carpenter, just come live, come talk about them. And if you know say you be shy person, you not go fit come live talk about them, you go type am for comment section, say okay, oh, my name na so person, oh, and they do so business, so this na my WhatsApp number, this na my shop address, everything where you they sell, you go let us know. And if you want, make me, myself, and I, as I take full grant, so take carry your product one after the other, say okay, oh, this na so product, now waiting they do be this, na so person na they sell am, na so person see in WhatsApp number, you go send the product to me directly, live and direct, just like Health Essence do today. This one now, this na hip lift, you understand? Now Health Essence, now you get this one, is send them to me directly. In fact, if you see the box which she send, come. So this one na hip lift. This one for ladies wey want make their hip come aside and all that. So if you want make we do am like this, we're here. We go still let you know. So before I go begin to do the live one, I dey talk to people wey dey live because I know they sell market for selling sake. You understand? This is what I do for a living. I not get work. So who want come live? Nikki Fabs, welcome to St. Envy's account. Welcome to my page. This is Sell Your Market with St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy. So what you go do now? What you they sell? Let us know. Waiting the service so you they render, you they do carpenter, you they do plumbing, you they do video waiting, anything where you they do video design, anyone where you they do. Official Mrs. Envy don't launch, she don't enter. Yes, so welcome. I see lights not there, so men are not vex from you. Light not there, make me they clean up my face, they clean everywhere. So today we get some products we get for ground now. We will talk about for Health Essence and Mob Villa. So DJ Slim, I go bring you come live. You understand? Yes, I think DJ Slim is one of the best DJs we will get for this planet Earth. Yes, so and DJ, you go tell us your how much way they collect. You know, this is not limited to anybody. They sell only physical products. So if you be comedian like me, you go come live. You go tell us, okay, I be so comedian. Oh, I guess it's so skito. This is my Instagram handle. This is my Facebook, WhatsApp. This is my anything where you they do. You let us know. We get. Anyhow you want we could do them. So DJ Slim, you are coming live. Make I bring DJ Slim live as Digolib. No one join. Badejo, you are coming live, bro. God, now they shine it. See DJ, they tell say they shine. You ever say if you they play like this, nobody no. Lotechuku TV. See how my people don't come live. Oh. Yes, so welcome to Sell Your Market with St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy. And for this program, every Monday from 11 a.m. go to 12 noon. And so they do and they sell our market. Anything where you they sell, anything where you they do. Whether you be video editor, you be photographer, you be website designer, you be TV presenter, you be comedian like me, you they sell hip lift up, you they sell dildo. Like people where if I show you the kind of product we full here, you see this one. This one a Heaven's Dove. You understand? This one are for breast. It's a natural alkatin. This one a breast enhancer. So before we go enter this one, we could do what they do live. You understand? Oh, this was now secondary. Who dey my live? Rita Bernard, where you dey? Who dey my Facebook? Who dey my? And why on that day? Oluwakemi Mosabalaji. CEO, we they sell human being, no, nothing will not they sell, nothing where we not they sell, nothing, even human being, no, only my children officer, but if you can't say it, we won't say we get market for you, you understand, at least Clifford Dodge die here, still sell human parts. Yes, so who they my live, Lotechico TV, you're coming live, Moko see, who will they bring live, come tell us, what you they sell, how you they do where your shop they, if you get physical, if you get physical shop, you let us know. If now WhatsApp, you do your business because we notice say people day online. You understand? As I talked last week, I say over 3 million people now shop online as of January last year. Only January last year, 3 million people do their shopping online. So I don't know why people never really want to embrace this online marketing. I don't know. You understand? They attest to the fact, say, most times, not be even, what do they call them? Not be even, how do we put it? Not be by force, say, you go they talk to people one-on-one. Now you make online digital marketing come out. Now waiting Facebook they do. Mayor Jed, what's up? So now waiting digital marketing they all about. You understand? Online marketing. Tell people on top WhatsApp, this is what I'm doing. On top of your WhatsApp status, you post them. Everywhere you post them, make people know, say, this now what you they do, this now what you they sell. So now Sell Your Market with St. Envy on top Instagram Live and Facebook Live night with day. So Emmanuel John, I don't know what you they sell, I don't know what you they do. Make I try bring Abuja Lux online store back online. We could see how we go take rough am today. While we they wait for people who won't come live, while we they wait, aha! We don't get our first person. Good morning, Abuja Lock online store. How Abuja day today?
Fine.
Now, wow. So we just dey online, we just dey look each other online. So if to say I'm not saying I sell your market, but you know come live, Abi.
Not be like that though.
How you want content be?
I always join now,
You dey always join. Once in a green moon, when moon turn green, you go join.
Yes, because today I'm at home.
Okay.
You understand?
So how the sun for Abuja this morning now?
It was Abuja sun now. Before 7 o'clock,
everywhere don't light.
Yeah.
So we want to know this one. I sell your market with St. David Apostle of Comedy, and this is an opportunity for you to come live with me, talk about your business, talk what you they do, talk if you get physical location, you drop the address, people where the Abuja go come, so you they do nationwide delivery, you let us know. So you get the spot now for the next 60 seconds.
Wow, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is the Golib. So
Okay.
in the Golib, we sell all different kinds of hair extensions.
Okay.
This one are the one where they call spring twist.
You ready for this
is
market
spring
too?
twist. Yeah, this one will get this one over 30 colors on ground.
Wow.
This one are the latest one where they call fashion twist.
Mm.
This one are fashion twist.
Okay.
See, I'm here.
They tell us
This
how
one
much
is
them be. Oh.
3,500. This one at 3,000 naira per pack. You know,
Okay.
use 5 make full head.
Okay.
So this one are the one where Oyibo people they call French coins.
Okay.
See, I'm here.
Mm.
And the Obonge wey dey market now.
I they tell you, sell your market, my
French
sister.
coins. So this one is what we call the ombre braids. This is the best seller. B29.
B29.
This one you need a 6 for a full hair.
Okay.
Then we have another color. All this hair get different colors.
Oh.
This one are for now.
I don't know. This is already the answer I know now.
Highway babies.
Eh.
So that's the thing wey they sell for the Golib with that.
Okay, so
And I get another one wey be the logistics. That one they do delivery within Abuja for 500 naira and above.
wow.
Thank you for this opportunity.
No wahala. So you not get bone
We
straight.
don't get physical shop for now.
Physical shops have extra
We
money.
don't get. We don't get. We dey do as small.
They say
So
wisdom
we are
is
located at
profitable to
Akure
direct.
Estate, but we do delivery worldwide. Yes, because we work with DHL, so doorstep delivery worldwide.
Okay. So waiting me your WhatsApp number, your contact.
081 388 32877.
You know what
Let me pin.
Yes. Write that for the comment section. You go write that for comment section. Then write your business name. Put your WhatsApp number. You understand? So
Yes, this is my Instagram handle.
Okay.
The Golib.
Write your Instagram, your WhatsApp.
This is for the logistics.
The Golib. Okay.
The Golib logistics. Yes.
So for how long your business on there for?
2015.
Wow.
But we have been in Port Harcourt, so I just moved into Abuja 2019 August. So that's where we are now. But we still get branch for Port Harcourt.
Okay.
For our customer, we still dey Port Harcourt.
Oh yeah, put Port Harcourt address now. Put Port Harcourt number so that even people wey dey Port Harcourt no go lose out from the district.
The same number, and they from here they control everything because you understand. And they from here they control everything.
Okay. I want ask now,
Yes.
so you get any discount where they give people where we say them go actually shop from this Facebook Live and Instagram Live what they do. So if discount day, you understand, you go let them know waiting go be the tagline. You understand where we say if they call you, they'll say, we are from so meeting me then tell you say them where they say whether from St. Envy, like sell your market, you understand? So that then go know. Then go, you understand? You go know where they come from, so you go give them discount. What is the discount you get for them?
Discount discount what I get for them now when they come now. Make they just open tell me say they from here come. You understand? I go know wetin I no be wetin I go talk here. You understand? I go know wetin I go do for them. But yeah, all of us now one. So if they come, I assure them say I will give them discounts.
You know one thing wey me I dey like? I be digital marketer and I dey tell all my clients say, you get wetin we dey call offer. Your offer must always be stated so that people not go dey confused. You understand? One of the problem we get, because I dey run Facebook ads, I dey run Google ads, I dey run Instagram ads for business people. And when I ask them, wetin be your offer? Wetin you dey offer these people? You wan run advert? Wetin you be the thing where they take draw them come? You understand? They go say, when them come first. No, people want to say this thing now, this breast enhancer cream. Say now, if you go Jumia, na 2,500. But if you click this particular link, or if you WhatsApp me, tell me say you be from Sell Your Market with St. Envy on top Instagram, I go give you for 2,300. That means I don't come out with 200 naira. Or I go give you for 2,000 naira. I don't come out 500 naira. Sure, you understand me? Now, when people know say offer day for something, they feel get this thing delivered to their doorstep, you understand, lesser price, or say, okay, I go do delivery for you for free. If you dey within Abuja, you understand? That 500, 1,000, 1,500 where you go use do delivery, depending on where you base, I go come up and I go do it for you for waiting for free. So make them know the offer where we say you they give them, so that they go. Now that one go make them click. If they don't hear anything, I don't see why you go. You understand that? This is when they come, they go come tell me. I go tell no. Let us know waiting be the offer, because now Sell Your Market, you guys sell. If you they sell your market, sell until the last. Say okay, because now from you see waiting I go give you. This hair they go for 3,000 naira, but I go give you for waiting for 2,007. I will give you so that what they go push them to come. People won't make hair. Christmas hair don't finish.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So okay, on to wait till you talk now, So our French fries now for market, where should they sell them now? Like 3,000 naira. Okay. For anybody who come from here, I will give the person for 2,700.
Okay. Nice one.
Yeah, then this spring twist now, we'll give them for 2,500 for anybody who from here come.
Okay.
We'll give them for 2,500. Yes. Then fashion twist for now, we will give them for 2,700 for anybody who follow us now.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much. They go leave. Thank you very much. And then they go leave day for Instagram. Yes, you are welcome and have a nice day. Continue to follow the show. So if you never follow me for Instagram, go follow me for Instagram. Every Monday from 11 a.m. go reach 12 noon. Now another opportunity for you to come again. Come sell your market. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And tell your friends so may they come sell their market. Yes, bye. All right, now so you be on top Sell Your Market with St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy. Now so we do them every Monday from 11 a.m. go reach 12 noon. I don't know what you sit down for house they do. I don't know what you do your shop they do. But now opportunity for you to come live. Come tell us waiting you they do. Waiting you they sell. You understand? Make we know. Because I don't hear that from the Go Live. The Go Live don't pin our phone number, our WhatsApp number, and Instagram handle. She dey into logistics and she dey sell human hair. So when I don't see she dey give on a discount. Anyone will be 3,000. She dey give one for 2,500 and she give the rest two for 2,700. Mayor Jed is coming live and I don't know what you they sell. If you don't on top Facebook, let me know what you they sell. Make we bring you come live. Come talk about them because now the essence of this program be that we rise by raising waiting others. Yes, so Jedi. If you be me like say I call you Jedi, but I don't know why the thing they come up. My mom just say Jedi.
Hello, St. Envy.
Hello, boss. Good morning, no. I greet you, my brother.
Good morning, everyone.
Say as man, you're fresh for this kind Monday morning. Oh Lord, who am me? See your diastema.
How far now?
Ade Baba, how your side?
I do all right.
Yes, so my also day. Welcome to Sell Your Market with St. Envy, the Apostle of Comedy on top Instagram and Facebook Live. So here we talk about people. We give people opportunity to sell their market. What you they sell? Waiting the product where you they sell. If they sell products, you let us know. And then if you offer services, maybe you be digital marketer, you be comedian, you be singer, you be recording label, you be plumber, you be you be carpenter. Let us know what you do. You get 60 seconds to sell your market. This is your network. If like this is your network. Now when I don't talk finish, now you the hear.
I know to you my hustler, man.
You be hustler. All of us na hustler now.
People marketing the reference, you know.
Yeah.
Hope I can be fair.
You say?
Yeah. So I'm a personal
Digital marketer?
Yeah. So,
Oh wow, okay. Sell us now. Sell your market, digital marketer. Where be your strong points? You understand? What exactly they do inside digital marketing? Because we get email marketing, we get social media management, we get ads, we get every form of digital marketing. So you let us know which one be your strong point. You understand?
yeah, so particularly my list is on some of it. I said what I do mostly I'm just a figure. I
Okay.
do my clients are and also I'm a grouper.
Okay.
So that's a mobile industry. The next thing on mobile importers who connect dealer, they don't have also.
Okay.
Right? So they're making my clients, I build the portfolio for them on I kind of put online trading for the whereby
Yeah.
car buyers, okay, instead of some business platforms to go by, I kind of have a strategic route to find the price. Whereby I try to get I target them to government, USA, Instagram, Facebook,
Okay.
TikTok, Snapchat as well. So most of the times, most people do, they just do it and ask how they boost their post. Which I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Whereby they keep wasting their money, that is what makes them about what they stop with the business. When they keep wasting their post, they say, Facebook ads not working. But it's really making many people millions.
Yes, it's messing people up.
Yeah. It's relying on the mobile because what makes it is that starting of our website, I was more into e-commerce. I was dropshipping here for living.
Okay.
Yeah. So I thought what made me late to that dropshipping because I began to have to use it by payment gateways and which was primarily PayPal.
PayPal. Okay.
The payment gateway.
Yeah, I know PayPal. PayPal is the payment gateway for paying anything online. Yeah.
So this is that I had to pay so many questions. I had to give up on that because I lost a lot of money.
Okay.
So I started working as a marketing freelance. Look, most people they believe when you are young, they think you lack ability. But most people they believe in what you have in your head, when you sound to them, you sound like you have something to offer. They're gonna give you like attention. And when you sound like, because when it comes to marketing, a marketer must have a sort of a self background, whereby what you are saying, you're not trying to convince someone. That's because one thing about sales, they are smart salesmen.
Sure. I love that. They are smart salesmen.
Smart
Yes.
salesmen, they use some tricky or manipulative manners or terminology to make people buy.
Yeah.
Which also happens in online platforms when it comes to your sales copywriting.
Copywriting, sales copy. Your network. All right, now so you be Mayor J, you go try make your network they fluctuate there. So we go see as we go take bring you back. You understand? Mayor J, try see as you go take come back. I love what you're saying. I love is Mayor J a digital marketer. They into writing sales copies for business owners and helping them. He said he's into mostly automobile, and so automobile now waiting we in fact for Nigeria who not get car who not get car for Nigeria because as it be so one of the way to take show people say you don't arrive for Nigeria not to go buy car. All right, so we see the door for Sell Your Market with SentMV on top of Instagram and Facebook Live. I don't know who they live, who won't come live with me. Waiting you they sell Onyekwere PC, Onyekwere Paul. You're coming live. You're coming live. It is sell your market with Centenville. So Chimo. So who don't top Facebook? Who don't top Facebook? We won't come live. Who don't top Facebook? We won't come live. We still get about a few minutes. In the next 10 minutes, I go enter the physical product we get for here, where Health Essence sent to us. So I go showcase them for Health Essence because I'm waiting. She actually last week we get Adebowale Pro. The live session of the free website training what we talk about last week. Now today start, and then we dropped the link as at last week Monday, and I dropped the link. We go reach Friday last week until this thing closed. So today night that training start. Free website design from Adebowale Pro that's listed hosting. 9 follow power that particular free training for people. So anybody not join. So what you do, where you day, make you let us know. We still dey talk about physical products, and I've been want make people wait there online still tell us waiting them they sell before we go do the main physical products we get from Health Essence. You understand? And I get one training where I go do for first week of February. Now for people we really don't know waiting they want sell online, and for people we actually want learn to sell online, especially on Jumia. Yes, that training go come up for February, first week of February, and that training go come up, and we get some physical products here where we'll go showcase for people where they online, and this one are from Health Essence. Health Essence, they into beauty, health and beauty mat. So then they do all this, in fact, then they sell anything where they make woman take fine. And I know the women now they use here say beauty product. That one are the word beauty product. Then they sell beauty products, and then they on top Jumia. Yes, then they on top Jumia. So for that Jumia training, what they talk about, anybody want to do Jumia training, not be for free. I go teach you what it takes to do it to make better money on top Jumia. I did live here now. I did live. I know this I be do Conkambu story. So I go turn my camera now. I go turn the two phones where they use now. I go turn the 2 cameras now. Make you see today. Now the first day where they resume Jumia. Yes, I did resume Jumia today, 11th, and I get over 50. See, over 50. On I say, like I turn this camera back, may you see how well. I get over 50 orders where I want. See, look, see as the line up. See those cartons? Those cartons now, Jumia, then they go straight up. Then they go Jumia straight. Over 50. Now 5 now I line them up. So you understand? 5 now I line them up. So over 50. Okay, fine. Over 50 cartons, over 50 orders now I get for today. So if you want to learn how to sell on Jumia, you want to know as I take the duam, I go get physical class for February, first week of February. So I go get physical class for first week of February, and by towards the middle of January, towards the end of January, the link for where the address go be, not be free, now just 5K. And if you not get what you go even sell for Jumia, I go teach you how. In fact, every week, I know how much they collect every week for Jumia. I go show you my dashboard. I go show you the different accounts where I get. The way we say, I go open, I mean, see how much I don't make from June last year, go reach today for waiting at the sell for Jumia. So the training at 5,000 naira, and it go happen for first week of February, now weekend, either Saturday, either Friday or Saturday, now it go happen. So if you just join me and I sell your market with Centenville, the Apostle of Comedy on top Instagram and Facebook Live. So anything where you sell, if you sell perfume, if you sell anything at all, come live, come tell me waiting you sell. Make we see as we go take showcase them to showcase them to people with the forward. So who they live with me? Who they live with me? Who they live with me? Who they come? Who they come? So this one are from Health Essence. This one are from Health Essence. So if you go for okay, the physical product where I they sell for Jumia, I go talk about that. Mayor J, just send me DM. Send me a DM after now. We'll talk about that. Anything you want to sell, anything. I go even tell you where you go get them for cheap and how much you go take sell them on top Jumia. You understand? So all those ones, me I want start consultation now. He said the problem where they solve. Now money problem that they solve different problem. Like this one now. All those guys where they feel intimidated. Say their mate get beer like Mayor J. Me I not even say I not see any beer for Mayor J face. So me, I know they feel intimidated because I know say I get them. I mean, I they run from them. You understand? This one I follow come. So if you feel say you get barren, this place now barren land. The first one we grow now just one for this side and since then no one don't grow again. See I'm here. This one are beard oil. You understand? For on top market, Health Essence they sell this beard oil for online. I think in the seller for 1,500. But you say make I tell on I say for here now this one now for 1,000 naira it go for 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. This one the work now the problem with this one they solve now for people who not get beer. He go give you says this guy beer full. Now so your beer go take do it in. Now so your beer go take full. You understand? By the time when you start to do it in to the user. Now so it be. And so they know they do them two ways. You understand? So this one a hip lift. This one to enhance your hip. You understand? For ladies, when they say they feel say waiting God give them no reach. They feel say man need to. You understand? Say men they like and are true. They say men they like hip. They like women will get backside well. So you think say your backside not reach. It not reach. See and here. Now waiting. This one are for people when not get backside. This one are for people when not get backside. We need backside. See, I'm here. You need backside. Plenty of backside. Hip lift. Now you go do the work. This hip lift now about 1,900 on top online. But in they go give this one for 1,600. You understand? So now hip lift be this one. So I talk about this breast enhancer. This one are for people who say their breast not reach within guys they like. They say guys they like watermelon own, but your own are lime and a small orange. You understand? This one go make them become watermelon. Even if you like make it become koroba. You understand? So this one are from Health Essence. So if you want he said this one are for 2,000 naira online, even for Jumia. Say she they sell them for 2,000 naira on top Jumia. But say because of saying I sell your market and my influence, say it go give you this one for waiting for what do they call them? Say it will give you this one for 1,800 naira. So we get Chika Okoro. Chika Okoro just joined. Chika can't tell us what you they sell. So that one are three products already from Health Essence. So this one they call them fungicide natural light. This one are for people who want lighten their skin. This one na liquid. See, if you want lighten your skin. So this one are product for lighting up. Yes. And as it is, so this one about 1,800 naira. But she said she will give her this one for 1,500 naira. You understand? So what did they do? She said they come out all those small logistics, you understand? So that una go fit this one are the offer which they give. This one are all those, you see all those black, this all those people who don't bleach. Sorry, man, don't use the word bleach. All those people we say they don't all this place, then be like one person different color. You understand? Here the yellow, but all this side, they black, all these knuckles, they black. You understand? Now this fungicide, now then they use to clear, and them all those bonds for this place, all the place here go black. You understand? This fungicide natural and light go do it. It go remove all those things, come make that place clear. I know they use them at the same market for person. Now, wait till they send me. Now they tell us so. We still get some products from Health Essence and Global Affairs. Now then still get Global Affairs. Now then still get Mob Villa. This one then they call them hair remover. All of una wey be say una dey get unwanted hair for body, you no like am, you dey grow hair for leg, you dey grow hair for even for your teeth, you dey grow hair inside nose, you dey grow hair everywhere, you be Esau generation. See am, hair remover. This one, the only thing you just need to do na to just rub am for that place where hair dey. Just rub am, make it just dey for like 3 to 5 minutes. You do wetin? You use water, wash am. You wey be say you don go dey shave, you dey shave for barber everywhere, don get bumps, everything. He say you no even need am. With this hair remover, just rub am like that, bam. Leave am for like 5 to 10 minutes. Do wetin? Use water, wash am like this, whip. Everywhere go become barren land. Everywhere go become wetin? Barren land. Now so this one, they said this one for 1,500 naira, but he say he go give na for 1,300 naira. Sake of say the thing they come from me, sell your market with St. Envy. See, this one they go for waiting 1,300 naira. Hey, they go leave you, they laugh. If you get unwanted hair, now that one, now waiting that one they work for. The next one, hip lift up. This one another kind of hip product. This on the hip lift. All of now we say na feel say una hip don't sag. Some of una will feel say una not even get hip at all. See, this one a hip lift up. Now still from Health Essence Global Affairs. So this one a hip massage cream. You go just carry this cream, they massage your hip. It they give your hip thickness and firmness. We be say if you wear anything, we be say you want me your hip so. Once you walk out the first step, you go just say brim. You walk out the second step, bam, you go use it. You could just dance. The thing you just dance. Like this one hip lift up. He said this one they go for 1,500 naira instead of the initial amount of 1,800. So this one they go for 1,500 naira. This na hip lift up. This one a massage cream. You go just the massage am. They massage your hip with this one. You go massage them 3 times. It go be like 3 square meal. Massage them in the morning. Massage them in the afternoon. Massage them in the night. You could just notice say in the next 7 to 14 days, your hip don't they get thickness. You understand? If they come out, if they get thickness, or rather they come out from there. As in, if they even as you say and so now, as you say and so. This kind of own thickness not even come with stretch mark. Lie. You know they come with stretch mark as you see and so. Hip lift up. This one are the massage cream. If you massage and well. You know what I mean massage? Massage not be rub, but different day between rub like this. So this one a rub. Massage. Oh Lord God. We could leave this one. So the next one are for men. All those men where then they call themselves 1 minute man. 1 minute man. See this one a max man. Max man. Men enlarging essential oil. This one you feel say your cucumber still be plantain chips. Those small plantain. Those little plantain they use the plantain chips. Now if you say your say your thing supposed to be cucumber, but in your eyes, in your very before, they look like banana when never ripe. See, this one go make them ripe. Come up from banana, enter plantain. From plantain, you go enter cucumber. See, max man. So now I go give you this one. They even help for you to even stay longer. You understand? You come, you don't knock 1, don't 2, 3. Yeah, everywhere don't stew. No, with this one, you go get firmness, you go get longevity, equity. You understand? And if you they enter, you say go to know say there is a way that seems right, and the end thereof it is pleasure with this marksman. With this marksman, anything is possible. You go last long. You go get better thickness. You understand? You go as in, make a not to a marksman. For those of una where they talk say una they get so this one a 14 days gold maxi tone. You not like your complexion, you don't like your color. Say your color they shame you. If you come outside people they look say who be this one? Say you black like devil last month. See this one a max gold. See gold maxi tone. This one just get 14 days. Rub am morning, rub am night. Rub am morning, rub am night. 14 days. 14 days. Like they hear me now. 14 days. Everywhere does stew. You go there, you know what they call Ochaka Amaka. That's so you go just the fair. You go the fair. This one are 14 days, as you see and so. And this cream now pure Egyptian magic whitening gold. Mazitone, he said, now the fastest Arabian whitening and regenerating lotion enriched with pulp of passion, restores elasticity and suppleness. Hell, Oyibo. He said, you go give your skin suppleness. It go soft. Your skin go stew. Like, if they touch your skin, like your skin go they glow with pride. They say, get some kind of skin where they go come out for sun. You go say, oh my God, this one, mommy water, na papi water, daughter. You go just go one sun, just shine on top of you, like this. You go just the glitter. You go the glitter. See, mass gold. And this one, he said, just apply morning and night on cleansed waiting skin. This one, morning and night. Not go they do pass yourself. Morning and night. This one they go for 3,800. Na Egyptian Arabian magic tomb. This one. Not be the one way Abba brothers they use. This one at 3,800. So which one again remain here? This one a beard oil. This one self they follow do. If you not fit, get this one. If you not fit, get this one. You get this one. So this one they go for. This one a beard oil for people who need beard. If you say they are beard, they shame them. We not they body shame you, not they beard shame you. You understand? Now market now with the sell. So this one they go for 1,000 naira. Pere. 1,000 naira. Pere. 1,000 naira. Pere. You know that song now? That used to do. Pere. Oh, my Lord. If your boyfriend comes to my query, even if he, now the pere be this 1,000 naira. Pere. So we get ballet breast cream here. Ballet mouthpiece, my guy. Welcome, Mouthpiece. Now one of Nigeria's finest comedians. So I go see Mouthpiece. Come on, come live now. Come live. Why not they see people? Why people are not? Now go just come and go. Now be Jesus. Even Jesus come, he stay for 32 years before he japa. Who are you? Just come my life and go. So this one who they on top of our Instagram. Now sell you they go live still there. They go live. Which one you want buy from Health Essence? So you know, so you need to maintain that your color. So this one na breast this one a breast enhancer. Look at open and she don't tighten. Welcome to Sell Your Market with St. Envy. Malcolm Kelly, what's up? Come live now, come. Now they request me you come live. All of them will just come live. Jackpot, come live. Jackpot, come live. I go now they play Jackpot for now. So this one this thing they sent where. They sent where. You pay me son not get breast. Pay me son not get breast. So this one a breast ballet. This one the product na ballet. Now one of the best products we get for women where they use beauty products. This one a ballet cream be this one. This one a breast enhancer. You just say they increase waiting the firmness of Bobby. They call breast make Instagram not go sanction me at Facebook. Now this kind they use small voice they talk. You understand? Now for Bobby, if you want me your Bobby get firmness, you don't like as your Bobby they fall anywhere. You understand? Once you just tule everywhere go just this one to back tule by everywhere go just stand. He pick him. I am ready. So Mama they online no. I they see your like Mama request to come live with me. One of Nigeria's most sought after marriage counselor, family life coach, educator, just join us on top Facebook. Mama, I won't bring you come live. We'll talk about this tonight. Today, now Sell Your Market with St. Envy, the apostle of comedy. So, where you day? I hope say you're not this school. Request to make you come live. Request them. I want to bring you live. So this one na ballet cream. This one na lifting fast. You go lift your body fast. Oninyemadu Akolam, welcome online. Welcome online. Now sell your market with Senten with the Apostle of Comedy be this. So for this show, every Monday from 11 a.m. go to 12 noon, we they talk about people market. We they give you opportunity to come live, come advertise your market by yourself. Sell your market, drop your physical location, drop your online store, drop your WhatsApp number. So people go fit do it in, fit reach you. So Ori's Fame. Wow, welcome online. So this on a ballet cream for breast enhancement. It will give you better. Now this on a 8 times 1. Now 8 things in one. It work 8 things in one. You understand? I not gonna need to go there. This on a Dr. Rachel. Now do this one. This on a breast health. All those is where they eradicate cancer from breast. As if they apply this one, you don't get cancer of the breast at all. If they even, but this one not good for women where they lactate or women where they give breast milk. Where they say you see they feed your baby. This one not good for you. You understand? Now after you don't finish, you don't win the baby, you feed the side. So you know they get away some babies go just come suck Bobby, suck the full nutrient come on. Bobby where they like this before go just they look down on the owner. You understand? We don't want that one. This one, after you don't suck the full nutrient, this one go come help you do it in replenisher. Give her firmness. Once Oga hold am, Oga go know say he hold something. You understand? Not be the one way Oga go hold something everywhere go do why be like waiting Keifan Akpea. They press foam. No. If Oga hold am, he go dey firm like this. So this one now for waiting. The talk. So all these products now for health essence and global affairs. So if you follow them on top Instagram, go health essence, then essence. Find them for there. You go see health essence. Then they into beauty products and making sure say you dey okay at every point in time. So this one 3 days show your skin. So the last one I go talk about. My time done dey fast spent. Who did my live for Facebook? Oh, I know nobody won't come live for Facebook. Nobody won't come live. Benga Pious, Babao, all the way from South. So this one now still from Health Essence. My work now to advertise. You know concern me. As long as I say my money they come, I dey do this one. If you want your products to come reach my hand and I go advertise them like this, not be free.